Hi, my name is Rami, the one in charge of www.techieguides.net, or not formerly known as the Technical Linux blog. Now, today I'm going to give a tutorial on how to set up Ubuntu as a dedicated Linux game server. Now, I've logged on to PuTTY here, which is an SSH client. I can see here I'm already logged in as root. Although my username is usually remote. Now as you can see here, I've already downloaded the Ubuntu file, which is here, which is a zip file. Now if you want to download it, as I said, on the machine, you're going to go to this link, which is the sudo wget link and the FTP link that I've given here, or you go into the browser, paste it, download it, and then FTP onto the site. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to unzip the file I've downloaded, in which case, so when I go back to the terminal, as I said, I'm just going to Control C, so unzip Ubuntu 4.1. So this is just unzipping the file at the moment, which will create a list of several folders and also a list of other files that are required for the game itself. This is only most of the files required. As I said, I'm still going to be explaining how to create the start script and the stop script so that you could then start and stop the server at any point in time. Now as you can see, so unzip the files. When you do ls, it's created an Ubuntu directory, which is here. So I said what I'm going to do is change directory to Ubuntu just by highlighting it, right clicking, press enter, and as you can see here, these are the files located within the Ubuntu directory itself. Now once we've got all of that, of course we have to create a start script. So this is a script so that allows you to start the server, and of course we will be creating a stop script so that you could then stop the server. Now already pasted here the actual documentation itself, what it should look like. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm just going to go into here and then sudo vi start.sh, which will create this. Then I just paste it, but as I said, just like before, right? Just clear all of that. Okay. And then what you need to do, of course, is make sure the section where it's hashed out, remove the hash. That's all it is. Now usually, as you can see, I haven't got the hash in front of it. The hash basically hides it out. So basically I'm going to press escape :WQ, and that will be the start script. Hang on a sec. Yeah, just to double check I've done it correctly. Right, no, that is the stop script. Right, so I'm just going to do sudo with start.sh to stop.sh. Right, so I'm going to create the start script again. Sorry, my mistake. Right, so you're going to copy this. So this is the start script. Now I'm going to put it in here just to paste it so you've got an idea what it's got. Now you're going to have to remove this hash here. You need to delete that, otherwise it'll hide it for you. Now regarding on your server, now if you're already logged in as root, this section which is home, root, etc. Ubuntu will be correct. Now in my case, because I'm created an alternative user, of course you enter your username, mine's remote of course, and then as I said I changed that there to remote, and then as I said my IP address is not this, so my IP address is different. Now you could enter your internal or your external IP address. So that's my IP address, and then basically all you have to do is Control A, Control C, and then of course in here you're just going to paste it. Just double check it has. No, it hasn't. Okay. I'm just clearing all this. Yep, so as you can see it's now lighting up. So this is the start script. So you're going to press escape and WQ. As I said, when you do ls, you're going to have the stop and the start script. So just remember before I accidentally did the stop script, which is further below here. So this is the stop script, which is what I pasted before. So I said this is so you can then stop the service itself. Now you can use these commands here, as I said, if you want to get any extra maps or customize it, etc., which I didn't do. Now in here you can change directory to this one here, which I will do just to show exactly what it does. So when I do that, of course, change directory to that, and then do ls. As you can see, it's got a list of files and everything. It's got a server.cfg file as well, and then I'm just going to do copy that, the link, so it could download an alternative map for me if you wanted more maps, and it'll start downloading the maps itself, which shouldn't take too long whatsoever. You can use this to edit the map. This will show you what maps are available in there. So when you do this, as you can see, the maps available in the game itself. I didn't want to add the one I downloaded because I didn't want to, but as I said initially, we just do that. You're going to press CD, 2 dots to go back. So you go back to this screen itself. Now basically, as you can see, the start and the stop script are not executable. They're basically just normal. So we're going to use this command, the sudo chmod command here. This will basically give it read-write permissions and make it executable for you. So as you can see here, now when I do ls, they've gone to green, which indicates they could be run without any problems. You can also run this one, so if you're the root user, you type this in as well, which is the sudo chan -r root root space star, press enter, and it won't, if there's a problem it will tell you. Now to start the script, you're going to do this .start.sh. So basically, which I'm going to do now, and as you can see here, that's now running your server. So once that's run, that's your Urban Terra set up as a dedicated Linux server for you. As you can see, it's just running through the maps, etc., and so forth. If however you wanted to stop it, you don't worry about the warning, but if you want to stop it, you've got .stop.sh, and voila, it's actually stopped. So that's how you set it up. I have given troubleshooting tips on what works around for it as well. There are other articles on the website on www.techieguides.net. You could also send me a comment or email me to my email address, which is admin@techieguides.net. If you've got any queries or anything, please let me know. But thank you very much there. Take care. Bye bye.